Hey guys, and welcome back to my Nightwish reaction series. Now, when I first started this, I did say I was going to go through in order from start to now. But as you can tell by subscribing to my channel, thank you very much, and watching my videos, thank you very much, Lee. I've been pretty slack of late. Just been busy. And to be honest, actually, I've actually got a bit of a Fortnite addiction at the moment, so I'm trying to get the fuck off that and get back to this and get back to you guys. So thank you for being patient. Now, I'm breaking my own rule, which I'm pretty well known for doing so, because I did stop smoking about a week ago and started back up last night. What a dickhead. But I'm going to try again. But I can't wait any longer. There's a fucking new song out there. A new song from me being a fan of the band. And there's a new album coming from now me being a fan of the band. So I can't wait any longer. I can't. The rest of Wembley is coming. Then Buenos Aires is coming. That has to be done before the album's out, because I plan on doing a reaction to every fucking song on that album. All right, let's get to this. I can't wait any longer. I'm sorry for the lack of uploads. I will get there soon. Noise. I'm going to do this. I think I'm going to do this a little bit different. I know there's been an avalanche of fucking reactions to this song. And I'm glad I wait until the heat is over. But I'm going to do this a little bit different. First, I'm not even going to watch the fucking video. I'm going to try not to look at the screen. I just want to listen to the song first. And then I will react to the video. Let's fucking do this. Enjoy Noise. Twice, if you can last that long. Yes, let's do this. Oh, there she is.
Misery bleeds some pixels. Shoot yourself, post for the dead. Have a near life experience. Hit a hard air matrix. Now you're a star, fade avatar, feeding the beast in your loud ego land. You have become tool of a tool, digital fool, setting you to shut up and dance.
Oh, come on.
Please love me, see how I bleed. Please ensure I have such empathy in me. How noise, how beautifully numb. Deaf in the quiet air to have a meaning. Fire carry on, set hologram, lost in the maze. The real and human feel. Sunset is free from this deity. The earth has a real voice. Go out and get in. Color a yarn and the crowds will gather. Light from the sunless world. Your mirror is black, only a copy stares back and slave of brave new world.
I love that bit. Come on. Wow. Ooh, nice time change. Oh, I like that. Yep. Woohoo! Come on. Hi! Well done! That was sick!
Beyond the human horizon, something terrifying sleeps.
Oh, come on! Why did I just do the fucking robot? Oh, don't let that be it. Is that it? Oh, bummer. Whew. I'm going to watch the video first before I leave any comments. Let's just say, if I'm pulling the fucking robot out, I'm pretty fucking excited. Alright, let's get to the video now. I get it now.
from this deity. The earth has a real voice, go out and get in. Color a yarn and the crowds will gather. Lights from the sunless
He's still hugging the tree. Where's Kai? Have I missed him? That's his turn, alright. Hey, there he is. Yeah. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. All right, guys, that was Noise. Wow. Let's get the video out the way first because I got what they were saying. Fakeness. The fakeness. It's rampant all over the internet. And unfortunately, I found out too that includes some of the reactors on YouTube. Shame on you, you motherfuckers. But the fake, look, you see it every day. Trying to take a photo of your kids, and they're being little shits. You rouse at them, and then you tell them to smile so you can take a fucking photo for Facebook or Instagram. The bullying online. It's not like the old days, but if you bullied someone, you better be fucking ready to take a punch. Now you're hiding behind a fucking keyboard. The lives on the phone. Look, I'm guilty of it. I'm always on my fucking phone. Always. I have to physically force myself to put the fucking phone down so I can go and do something with kids. Just because I feel guilty. I'm on my phone. I'm missing out on shit. You have to be aware of it. I have to be aware of it. My fucking missus has to be aware of it. We have to be aware of it. Now my kids have got fucking iPads and iPod touches. Mate, they're not allowed on it until the weekend now. First you gave it to them, mate, they didn't fucking get off the thing. So we had to make a rule. There was no fucking iPods or iPads or whatever until the fucking weekend. It's like this. And even then, you got on the weekend. If you want to do something, you got to fucking threaten to take it off them for the whole weekend, and so they'll get off the damn thing. I get what they're saying. The internet is good, but social media is a fucking disease. Absolute disease. There's so much fakeness on there. No one puts their real shit on there. Let's get back to the song. Sonically, it's one of the best sounding songs I've heard this year. A new song this year. On a side note, there's a band called Heat from Sweden. Go and check their new album out. That's fucking sick too. Sonically, close for me anyway. Floor's voice. I did read somewhere that Thomas wanted to show off the 3 voices in this album. And holy shit, I cannot fucking wait. I cannot wait for this album to come out. If that's anything to go by, this album is going to be the album of 2020 and 21 probably. Kai's drumming in this, that little fucking fill he did, holy shit, that shit was awesome. And Pooh's solid as always. I'm really excited, guys. Really fucking excited for this album. I am going to get through Wembley starting this week. I'm going to get through it all. And then we're going to move on to Buenos Aires. And then when the new album comes out, I'm reacting to every song. Till next time. See you then. Sorry for the lack of uploads. Like I said, I'm a dickhead. Later.